Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of this course. In this video, we are going to start designing our first logo. So the logo that I chose for this tutorial is the Figma logo, which is a quite interesting and at the same time quite simple logo, okay? So first of all, we need an artboard. So let's press A and I'm going to choose MacBook Pro. Then I'm going to increase the height size of my artboard like this. Pretty good. I already prepared the assets file for you that you can download from the assets lecture of this section. So first of all, I'm going to place the Figma logo. As you can see in the assets folder, there is the Figma logo. Pretty good. And then we are going to design the same logo together. So as you can see, this logo consists of different simple shapes. For instance, here we have a square with two rounded corners. Here as well, here we have the same square, however, with three rounded corners. And here we have a simple circle. So first of all, let's insert a rectangle here. I'm going to hold shift in order to create a square. And then I'm going to set the width and height to 200 like this. It's pretty good. Let's move it to the right side. Now I need to round these two corners, okay? So I'm going to click on independent corners like this, and let's set top left corner radius to 100 and bottom left corner radius to 100 as well. And as you can see, we've got the same shape as the Figma's logo. Now we need to use the eyedropper in the fill section in order to choose the same color. Pretty good. Then we need to duplicate it, and I'm gonna right click on that and let's click on flip horizontal like this. I'm gonna move it to the right side. Pretty good. Then we need to change its color like this. Pretty fantastic. Now let's choose our first rectangle, duplicate it. I'm gonna move it down. Pretty awesome. Once again, I need to change the color. Great. And now we need a circle. So let's choose circle from the shapes menu. I'm gonna hold shift and let's create a circle, however, with the same width and with the same height. So it's gonna be 200 by 200 pixels like this. And I'm gonna change the color to this blue. And once again, let's duplicate this rectangle. I'm gonna move it down. And now I need to change the radius amount of this bottom right corner. So here in the inspector, I'm gonna set it to 100 as well. And last but not least, let's change its color. Fantastic. Did you see how easy it is to design a logo in Figma? And now I'm gonna select all layers. I'm gonna group them. And let's call it Figma New. You can remove this one, and that's all. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.